It's officially football season, which means one thing. Game day snacks are back on the menu. And this Cajun Andouille Queso is so good, your guests are going to forget all about who's playing because they're going to be too busy stuffing their faces. And it really isn't a game day event without a good dip. And this all comes together in just a few minutes. And did I also mention that we're going to be serving it with some homemade tortilla chips? You don't have to do this, but you really should. And also, if you like stuff like this and want some great ideas for your game day snacks and Super Bowl treats, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started.
And we're going to start by rendering off 1 link of diced andouille sausage into a large sauce pot over medium-high heat. We're going to let this roll for a few minutes so we can extract all that oil that's going to further season our sauce. And while that's happening, we're going to start frying off our tortilla chips. This is roughly a half pack of corn tortillas that I've diced into some chips, and we're simply going to plunge those bad boys straight into some 350-degree oil for about a minute and a half, at which time they should stop bubbling and be completely golden brown just like these guys. So from here, we're simply going to transfer them into a paper towel lined bowl and then hit them immediately with some kosher salt and then toss them well to season. And would you take a look at these perfectly crisp tortilla chips? So from here, we're going to repeat the process with our remaining chips, putting a light layer in each basket and dropping for about a minute and a half. And after about 6 minutes, our andouille sausage is fully rendered. We got plenty of that delicious oil down bottom plus some great fond. So we're going to remove the andouille with a slotted spoon, leaving all that oil in the bottom of the pot. Then we're going to immediately cut our heat down to medium and add in 2 cups of milk or heavy whipping cream, whatever you have on hand. Then we're going to start scraping off all that beautiful Cajun flavor from the bottom of the pot and allow our milk to steam. And this happens super quick since our pot's already hot, about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. And then we're going to add in our Cajun queso seasoning, which consists of 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then we're going to start slowly melting off 2 2/3 cup of queso quesadilla Mexican style melting cheese, making sure it's fully melted before adding the next batch in. And just as we did in our queso burger video from last month, the starches in that cheese is going to help emulsify the sauce, making it a proper consistency. And even after all that cheese has been fully incorporated, that consistency is still a bit too loose for my liking, but there's more cheese to melt. So we're going to start slowly adding in 12 slices, roughly 2 cups of chopped white American cheese to complete that classic queso flavor profile. And just like last time, we're going to make sure everything is fully melted down before adding in the next batch. And after we've added in all that beautiful white American, as you can see, this is still like the consistency of a cheddar soup. This very, very loose, not any cheese pull, so that means we need to add even more cheese. So we're going to bust out that backup queso quesadilla and add more in, and shockingly, this took another 2 cups before it reached that beautiful cheese sauce consistency. So from here, we're going to add in 1 can of diced mild hatch green chilies because we need the green, and honestly, the flavor is amazing inside of a queso. And after that's combined, we're going to add back in our beautifully cooked and rendered andouille sausage, and we're going to let this sauce simmer for a couple minutes to ensure all those chilies and that protein is thoroughly heated through. And after about 2 minutes, our queso is finally done and ready to serve. So we're going to grab a nice deep bowl and give ourselves a generous portion of this spicy umami dip. And to give this dip one last chef's kiss to complete the Cajun flavor profile, we're going to give ourselves a light dusting of cayenne pepper on top, after I get done fighting the container, of course. And all that's left to do here is to grab one of these beautifully cooked chips and give it a taste.
Alright guys and girls, that is a wrap. And guys, I'm just saying, this is not your everyday game day dip. Replace your same old with something a little spicier and with a little bit of a kick. So let's give it a try. This is like queso on crack. Oh yeah. Salty, spicy, umami, crispy homemade chips, which you should definitely try. Shoot. I don't even need the chips. Give me a spoon and I'll shovel this in like soup. It is really good. It's really addictive, and you should really try it at your next game day get together. And if you like stuff like this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any sort of game day snacks or foods that you want to see made, or if you want to share a recipe that you would like to see me make. I'm totally down to see what your go-tos are for Super Bowl. tailgates, or whatever else. Until the next time, don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.